The court acknowledged that terrorism offenses raise public interest and security concerns. However, it found that the respondent had not produced evidence showing that the applicant's release would endanger the public or compromise community safety. Accordingly, the court granted the bail application subject to strict terms and conditions. Each of the remaining applicants shall execute a cash bond of Uganda shillings 1 million. For Mr. Kivumbi, 10 million shillings, and the rest 1 million shillings. For each surety, you shall execute a non-cash bond. Non-cash means you do not pay, but you're just committing yourself in writing. A non-cash bond of Uganda shillings, 5 million shillings only. So every last Friday of the month, you report to the Deputy Registrar at the ICD.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.